Let's talk about O-rings. If you're experiencing any kind of leaks on your quick connects, whether it's a water filtration system or your water softener, let's go ahead and identify a few simple issues to see if we can solve the problem. So, step number one, look inside the inlet fitting. Now you don't need to disassemble anything, just take a peek inside the fitting to see if that O-ring is still in there. So, what could have happened? Well, sometimes when a hose is disconnected, there's still pressure. That pressure can cause the O-ring to dislodge and even blow out. It may have popped out onto the ground or somewhere close to you, so make sure you check around there when you disconnected the hose. So, how do we prevent this in the future? Before you disconnect your hoses, we recommend that you bleed the system pressure by turning off your water at the source and opening a faucet inside the RV to release the internal pressure. This small step will help preserve your fittings and prevent future O-ring issues.